video, we're going to be installing a brace member on the bottom of the car because when I put the transmission back in, I didn't put it in right away. I went and drove it, you know, without the brace member in there, but the car is jumping a lot, so I need to get it put in. I just got done changing the, not plugs, but the spark plugs. I was running off 5 cylinders, not 6. That's where all my power went to. I didn't know, but in this video, you'll see me installing a brace member on the bottom of the car. So if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and comment. Alright guys, so here we're installing the brace member on the car. I'm just getting it jacked up. My aunt's doing it for me, you know, because I'm lazy. But yeah, we're going to install this bad boy. We didn't install it when we was installing the transmission. We were supposed to do that a long time ago. But yeah, here it is. And I will continue once the car is off the ground.
Hey.
Alright guys, so we have it up in the air.
It's my whistle.
Sorry, they're on fire.
What?
And the jack stands under there. Hopefully it won't sink. But I believe this will be high enough for us to get under there and put this brace member in. It goes right there. So
alright.
I don't know if it will though. Alright guys, so the brace member is in. I don't know if you can see that. I can't really get on my back, so yeah. It's almost installed now. You just gotta tighten it up. And then we'll be done. It didn't take very long.
No, because he'll give it out.
Thought it would take a little while, but it didn't.
Anybody like it? She's making this fire right now.
What?
Why are you doing this right now? Hey.
So to be done, because I'll never get it done.
I need a long screw.
A long one? Like a super long screw?
Yeah.
Here you go. This short one. Yeah, we just got this transmission put back in. I was going to upload the video of us doing that, but too much work. So yeah, we got the cross member in already.
How many more screws you got up there?
Oh, sorry. 4. We're almost done. No worries. How many more holes you got?
What? I got one more, but it's where this thing is that we got tied down. That's the only hole I see in there.
It's just that one. We don't need that.
Well, what's the other screws for?
Is that it? Is that all the hole? Are you recording my butt? What? Are you still recording? Sweet. So we got like 2 more bolts to put in. And it'll be over. Alright guys, so I'm up under the car. Whew, this is a tight fit. I'm gonna lay the phone down. Golly. There we go. Now I can go faster without jumping around like I'm gonna break my neck or something.
Anthony, are you good for me?
Yeah, I'm good. What is she gonna do if the car falls? Scream, I'd be dead. Alright. James won't hurt me anyway. This car loves me. I do all the maintenance on James. He can't kill his owner. So yeah, if I've never seen up under a 3000 GT before, there you go. The long exhaust pipe going out into 2 cat pack exhausts. How long is this bolt? Oh God. Boy, this thing is tight. Fuck. Have to lay the phone down like right here, real quick. Okay. Ow, damn. I think I just broke my phone. Are y'all still alive? Yes. You know, it's kind of hard to hold your hand, to hold the phone, and then tighten these bolts at the same time. I'm trying to get y'all some good content, but it ain't working very well. So yeah, this is how the brace member looks. I got like 3 more bolts to tighten. So guys, the brace member is all the way in, like it's supposed to be. Y'all might see me struggling a lot in this video, but yeah. That's that. Now we're gonna let the car back down and see if we need to tighten anything else up. Get this thing back on. Let's see. Yeah, and this is how you install a brace member, my dudes. Alright, let's see. Take off the jacket. Oh yeah, we're clear. Alright. I'm gonna let this side down. I need a new tire, don't laugh. Alright, so yeah. So this side's on the ground. Now we have to get the other side. Alright guys, well that'll be it for this video. I got the brace member all the way installed and everything installed that I need for the car to be able to be like driven. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, and also hit that like button. And yeah, let me know you're in the comments also. So be sure to comment below and let me know. Thank you.